Welcome to another video of a mechanic, and in this video I will be showing you how to remove stuck brake rotor. The first step is to insert bolt to the thread bolt holes on the rotor. This step is the safest way to remove the rotor without damaging it. There are two thread bolt holes in opposite direction. Start to screw the bolt to the rotor holes. When you start to feel tension on the bolt, unscrew it and rescrew it on the opposite hole and carry on with the same step. You can use a copper hammer or a rubber mallet to hit the rotor's wheel hard. Make sure not to hit the rotor itself, as there is a high chance that you may crack or break the rotor. Also, you can use a sprayed penetrating oil between the wheel hub and the wheels start to loosen up the rust for easy removal. Carry on tightening the screw. You should start to feel the rotor removing. Carry on screwing the bolt until you have successfully removed your brake rotor. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.